Hi, this is training for all. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp on PC. What you do, you need to go to on your PC. You need to go to whatsapp.com. And how you do this, you click on WhatsApp web, and you can see there is a code you need to scan. Now what happens, you go to your phone. Now you go to your phone, and then you go to the top. There is 3 dots. Now click there, and you can see WhatsApp web. Click on WhatsApp web, and now you can scan your barcode on the screen, and then it's done. That's how you connect your WhatsApp on the PC. Now if you want to send a message, it's so easy. You can just say send a message on your PC. Now say hi, and you click on, and it's gone. And you can type easily. You can send voice. You can do anything you want as you will do on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, please don't forget to share. Don't forget to like or put a comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.